channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, guys, so today's video, this video is going to be some cute, spooky Halloween DIYs. Okay, so one of my closest friends' daughter's first birthday is in the month of October. I've told you guys a little bit about this coming up in some of my previous videos, but we're going to do a spooky one birthday party. So I've got several different DIYs that we're going to be using in the party, and I wanted to share these with you guys. So let's just jump right in. Okay, so for this first DIY, I grabbed a set of these stacking pumpkins from Five Below. Now, most of these DIYs today are going to be Dollar Tree, but this first one did come from Five Below. Although you can pick up these stacking pumpkins and the Dollar Tree Plus section. Now, I grabbed Ballet Slipper by Waverly and mixed it with a little brown and a little cream and a little bit of hot pink. And guys, I mixed all sorts of colors to come up with the perfect pink for my stacking pumpkins. I added a little bit of the burnt sienna from Arteza, and then the last but not least was the orange pumpkin by Waverly, and that is exactly what I needed. It literally made the pink exactly what I was looking for, perfect color. Anyways, once I got that good and mixed up, then I'm going to add some baking soda. So I just poured a little into my paint mixture and mixed that up really well. You want to make sure and get all of the little clumps out or anything like that and get it good and smooth. I then used this to paint my stacking pumpkins. I painted the larger ones with this particular color, used my heat gun to dry them. Now, I did scuff sand each of these pumpkins before I painted them, but I do believe that adding the baking soda is really key to keeping this paint on this plastic. So be sure you add the baking soda. I then added some ivory to that paint mixture and painted the second set of pumpkins with that, like the medium-sized ones. Okay, so this is what we're working with now. Got the big ones painted, got the medium-sized ones painted and dried, and now I'm going to paint the white ones. Or the smallest ones. I'm gonna actually tape off the stem and then spray paint these because I've got that color. And then I'm gonna go over all of them with some clear spray paint. So I grabbed that Ella Rose spray paint by Magnolia Homes, and I spray painted the smallest pumpkins with that very light pink color. I then spray painted everything with a clear spray paint by Magnolia Homes. I then took the pumpkins inside, added a little bit of copper to a little bit of gold that I had just to create more of an antique gold color. And then I painted the stems. Now, I said that I was going to tape those stems off, but I decided not to. I just went ahead and spray painted those as well. That way, when I went back to paint them with my gold, it would show up really well. So anyways, I just painted those with the gold, stacked everything back together, and would you look at how stinking cute these pumpkins turned out, you guys. All right, guys, this next one is so stinking cute and so simple. I grabbed some black cats and also some of the little ghost cutouts from the Dollar Tree, along with several things of ribbon. Now, this is super customizable. You can paint any of these pieces, whatever color you want, and you can pick up whatever color ribbon you want. So just remember that part. Now, I painted my black cats black, obviously, and I painted my little ghost white. I then cut up all of my ribbon into about 6 to 8 inch strips. I had some of the like crochet, and then I had some light pink, and then some of the sheer darker pink. And guys, I just simply tied it to a piece of cotton twine. That is it. It is that simple. I alternated between the ghost and the black cat and added my ribbon in between each. Too stinking easy. And look at how cute this is, you guys. I love this so much. Guys, so these are my supplies for my little spooky ghosts, my little cute ghosts I'm going to be doing. I got these from the Dollar General store because I was having a hard time finding these, but I ended up finding these. And I picked up a couple sets of these just because they didn't have enough of those. Was that enough theses and thoses? Anyways. All right, so I grabbed these at Walmart, actually. I think they were $3 for 6. And then the flat sheet, I got that at Walmart. The creepy cloth came from the Dollar Tree. Got the plunger and the plunger handle from the Dollar Tree. And then one of the paper towel holders from the Dollar Tree. We're gonna make a couple little ghosts. I'm excited. I almost forgot the most important part, the ghost. So the reason we need this is for the head and the arms. That's what we're going to be using this for. So more or less just the form. But yeah, grabbed those at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so I start by removing the material from the little form, and it's a head and 2 little arms. Guys, this is so perfect for what we're about to do. I grabbed a knife and just cut a little slit in the bottom of the little head, added a ton of hot glue inside that slit, and then slid that down onto the paper towel holder. Now, as you see there, I'm holding that paper towel holder down with rocks because it will shift on you if you're not holding it down tight. I put my material on backwards and then turned this around. So we're working with the back right now. And I'm just adding a little hot glue and making a little crease where that you can't see the creepy face because we don't want that like spooky face. We're going for more cutesy, cute Halloween, okay? Anyways, I'm then just going to pull my material back and wrap this with the lights. Now, you could wrap it before you do the material part. I just got ahead of myself and did the material before I wrapped it. But anyways, just make sure you wrap this form with your lights. And then I just simply replace my material. Put it right back over the little head and arms. I grabbed some black vinyl from the Dollar Tree and drew out a circle for my eyes. I folded my vinyl together and then cut out the circle so that it would be 2 of them. I placed my little eyes on. Now, this is where I made a little mistake. I put the eyes on before I put on the creepy cloth. I had forgotten about the creepy cloth. So I get the creepy cloth out, straighten it out, and then put it on. And I'm like, no, I don't like this. I do not like the way it looks through there. So I just peeled the vinyl right back off, placed my creepy cloth back down, and then put my eyes on. It just looks way better that way. Oh my God, look at it, Daddy. Look at how stinking cute this is. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I swear it is the cutest thing I think I've ever made. Oh, she's gonna love it. How sweet. I love it. All right, I then grabbed the plunger and my other plunger handle, added some hot glue in between the two, and then zip tied this together. Now, if I could have found a broom handle, that's what I actually wanted. I was just going to use a broom handle and cut it down some, but they did not have any broom handles at my local Dollar Tree, and I was wanting to get this project done on this particular day. So we improvised. Now, I thought that if I pushed that plunger handle down, it would suction and hold up, but that did not work out so well. So I just grabbed my rocks once again that I had with my other little ghost, and I placed those on top of the plunger part, and that held up my now body of my ghost. I once again removed the material from the little form, pushed it down onto the broom. Look, I wanted a broom handle, y'all. That's literally what I wanted. Anyways, onto the plunger handle, and then cut that out with my knife. I added a ton, I'm talking about a crap ton of hot glue down into that hole, and then shoved that down on, I did a little happy dance, happy dance, happy dance. It's going to work. I put my material back on, added on my creepy cloth as well. I did this one a little different this time. Cut out my eyes, added my eyes, and also the little jack-o'-lantern. Too cute, y'all. I added him to a pot that had styrofoam in the bottom of it, and this is how he turned out. Guys, the two of these ones, and I did add my lights. I forgot about my lights. But these two together are precious. I love this. That is it for today. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. I know that I always have a blast putting videos like this together for you guys, and I especially have had a great time doing these particular DIYs because they are just for a special occasion. It's going to be a wonderful party. I cannot wait to wish her the happiest of birthdays on her first birthday. Y'all, she's precious. Anyways, I hope that you have enjoyed these. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys, thank you so much for being with me, and y'all have a blessed day.